Hello students, let us continue exercise 7.2 congruence of triangle example 5th. In figure 7.23 triangle ABC, in triangle ABC given AB equal to AB equal to AC, and also given AD is the bisector of angle BAC. AD is the bisector of angle BAC, mean this angle. This means angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. This means both angles are equal. Both angles are equal. This is given. Again repeat, in triangle ABC, given that AB equal to AC and also given that angle BAD mean this angle equal to angle CAD mean this angle. Given both are equal. Now state pair of equal parts in triangle ADB and ADC. Now example 5, given AB equal to AC and AD is the bisector of angle BAC. This means angle 1 equal to angle 2 is equal to angle BAC upon 2. Angle 1 means half of angle BAC. Also angle 2 is half of angle BAC. AD bisect angle BAC. Angle BAC means this angle. This means angle 1 equal to angle 2. This is given. And AB and AC also given. Now, in first part, state three pairs of equal parts in triangle ADB and triangle ADC. ADB and triangle ADC. In triangle ADB and triangle ADC, given AB equal to AC, given side AB equal to side AC, and also given angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 because AD bisect angle BAC. AD bisect angle BAC mean this angle. And third part, AD side, AD side. AD equal to AD, common side. AD equal to AD, common side. Common side. AD equal to AD mean common side. Common side. Now in second part, is triangle ADB congruent triangle ADC give region? Yes, triangle ADB congruent triangle ADC by side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. Again repeat. Side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. By SAS congruence rule. Now third part. Is angle B equal to angle C? Give region. Yes, angle B equal to angle C because corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. Because corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. This means CP, CT. So angle B equal to angle C. Now try this. Which angle is included between the side DE and EF of triangle DEF? First we draw a triangle DEF and find the angle between DE and EF. DE means this side and EF means this side. EF and DE. Which angle is included between the side DE and EF of triangle DEF? Which angle is included between the side DE and EF? So clearly angle E lies between side DE and EF. Angle E is answer. So we write angle E is included between the side DE and EF of triangle DEF. Now second question. By applying SAS congruence rule, you want to establish that triangle PQR congruent triangle FED. It is that given that PQ equal to PQ equal to FE and RP equal to DF. What additional information is needed to establish the congruence? According to question, first we draw a beautiful diagram of triangle PQR and triangle FED. Given PQ equal to FE, PQ equal to FE, this is given, and RP equal to DF and RP, side RP equal to DF, RP equal to DF. Now, what is the additional information is needed to establish triangle PQR congruent triangle FED? So, we need extra additional information is included angle P between side PQ and PR. Similarly, we need angle F lies between side EF and DF. Angle F is included between side EF and DF. So we need third additional information is angle P equal to angle F. Again repeat, by applying SAS congruence rule mean side angle side angle side. By applying SAS congruence rule, you want to establish triangle PQR congruent triangle FED. It is given that PQ equal to FE and also given RP equal to DF. What additional information is needed to establish the congruence? We need additional information is angle P equal to angle F. Angle P included between side PQ and side PR. Also angle F included between side FE and FD. So we need additional information is angle P equal to angle F. Angle P equal to angle F. So right, by applying SAS congruence rule, we need additional information angle P equal to angle F. This is your required solution. Now third question in figure 7.24. Measure some part of triangle are indicated by applying SAS congruence rule. State the pair of congruous triangles if any in each case. In case of congruous triangle, write them in symbolic form. In triangle ABC, given AB equal to DE equal to 2.5 centimeter given. Now next, angle A is not equal to angle D, also given, and AC is equal to DF equal to 2.8 centimeter given. Again repeat, AB 2.5 equal to DF also 2.5 given. Angle A 80 degree and angle D is 70 degree, so they are not equal, also given. Side AC 2.8 and side DF also 2.8, this is also given. So given triangles are not congruent. Given triangles are not congruent. Triangle ABC are not congruent triangle DEF. Because SAS rule does not hold. So Given triangles are not congruent. Hence, triangle ABC are not congruent triangle DEF. Hence, both triangles are not congruent. Now, do try the SAS in your field notebook.